Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Reset the network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In the General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then select Reset Network Settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone all settings. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode on and off. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, turn on the toggle for airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. Solution 3. Update or offload WhatsApp application. First, go to the App Store. Then tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the menu. Now search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. If any update is showing for it, update it. If update is not showing here, then offload the app and reinstall it. For that, go back to the home screen and open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, tap on iPhone storage. Then scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp menu, tap on offload option and tap on offload option to confirm that you want to offload your WhatsApp application. Offloading the app will delete the app, but your data like photos, videos, audios, and documents will remain in your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then tap on reinstall app button and reinstall your WhatsApp application. Solution 4. Delete VPN. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on General. In the General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on VPN and device management. Here, if any VPN is connected, then remove it.